Whew, it's been a while. But we are back. I'm back. Steady Streaming Cachios, we're back. I'm Zach. This is an Airstream. Yes, it has been 3 years since we have worked on an Airstream. Come on, let's go check it out. So we've been working on this custom Airstream for a few months now. And as you see, this here is the big comfy couch. Big comfy couch, lots of storage. This piece right here will slide out. You can insert a foam cushion. But so underneath here is obviously lots of storage. But in the center is their battery system. So this is 4 100 amp hour Battleborn batteries. We've got the Victron Lynx distributor, the Victron Multi-Plus 120 volt 2 inverter, along with the Victron Smart Solar 2570, 25070 charge controller. So they've got plenty of battery and electrical storage. And then on the roof, we have 8 100 watt Renovated solar panels. Once the pillows are removed, this piece here is the size of a twin size bed. And then along with this, it obviously makes for a much bigger bed. And moving on, here is the kitchen. So we've got the nice 20 inch, 21 inch range, propane range with oven. Down below, we have the furnace. Definitely need those furnaces in cold weather. Just like that, snaps back. Custom mosaic backsplash, 2x2s, little squares. Got this 12 volt range vent up ahead, so when you're cooking, suck everything out so you don't get it steamy in here. We'll move on. We've got this nice deep recessed undermount sink, very beautiful. Nice gold fixtures throughout, 12 volt sconces, custom shelf, again the backsplash throughout. Also, this is a 12-foot slab of oak butcher block, white oak butcher block that I used Odie's oil to finish it out, so it looks really nice and clean. We've got these custom handles, cabinet openings. Down here we've got the water pump, and on this particular Airstream, this year model, the freshwater tank is down below right in here, and so that's how you access the freshwater tank, down there. And through each cabinet, these 3 cabinets, we've got drawers down below here, and then just a little bit of shelf space there. Also for the furnace, down below we have some 2-inch little vents down below this, just to kind of keep those toesies a little warm. We've got the drawers with the soft close. Got another 12 volt sconce. Hidden behind here is the thermostat for the furnace. We'll continue walking on through the hallway, and we have the closets. So this is a very deep closet here, as you can see. And with the deep closets, we've got these drawers. So you've got 4 drawers, 3 that are the same, and then 1 on the bottom that is deeper. And we've also got that on this side as well, with magnets, whole thing. So again, 3 drawers that are the same size, and a 4th that is a little deeper. And right above here, we've got a little cabinet. So they've got a little bit of storage space up here for some pantry items. We've got this massive classic model by Unique 12 volt fridge freezer. You can store lots of groceries in here. It's very nice, so you don't have to go to town as often. We also have 3 fantastic vents in this Airstream. We've got this Bel Air 3800. This is a really cool, this is the first time that I've installed one of these units. I really like it. You don't have to have a thermostat. It's got a remote switch. It's a heat pump as well. I'm going to open this custom sliding door. Here is the custom pinion round shower. We've got all Moen fixtures here, gold fixtures to accent all the other gold. fixtures throughout. We've got the acrylic to kind of block the water from splashing as you're in the shower. This Airstream has a custom terracotta sink installed with another gold fixture here. And to tie in to the kitchen, we also put the oak countertop, butcher block countertop in here as well. This is a Nature's Head composting toilet. Got a nice drawer, big drawer here. Nice cabinet down below the sink. And down below here, there's all open storage for your towels, things of that nature, toilet paper. Another 12-volt sconce. Let's come on this way down the hall. All right, and to make this bedroom here in the back a little more private, I installed 2 sliding custom doors. So they do have magnets on the inside of each so that they lock in place. So as you're going down the road, they stay still. And so they just slide here into this pocket. So once they slide into the pocket, you can now enter your queen size bedroom. And once you have that door, these doors open, you can access this drawer that's down below here. And then now you've got this queen bedroom with cubbies and receptacle and sconces to read at night. And then off in this corner is the vent for the furnace, the ductwork, so you can get heat back here as well. And if you're wondering what this is for the front, the couch. All right, and down below, they've got plenty of storage. The hot water heater is down below here as well. And it is a tankless Girard water heater. But this Airstream started as a blank shell. There were no walls, there was no insulation. There was just minimal wiring just to get the trailer down the road. And so lots of skins were not even here. So I had to custom fabricate some skins and lots others. And we did have custom end caps as well, 11-piece end caps front and back. And right here, like we like to do, to utilize the space of the old battery compartment for an outdoor shower. And you can, if you have pups, you can hose the puppies off out here, store the shampoo, their brushes, things of that nature. Yeah, everything in this Airstream is basically brand new. New insulation, new wires. The new subfloor was already replaced when we got a hold of it. And so now this thing is ready to be lived in and hit the road.
Oh, now you're smiling. Oh, now you're smiling.